Find or read reviews that people are talking about Sperax weight bench, workout bench, strength training adjustable weight benches. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Adjustable weight benches. Sperax workout bench is designed with 11 backrest positions, 3 cushion positions, a 270 degrees free motion leg trainer and 4 sponges to hook the feet up and down, as well as a roll to move and bolts to lock quickly just by pulling. Home fitness, meet all movements, fully exercise the body muscles of high-quality adjustable weight benches, such as downward oblique sit UPS, weight kicks, oblique birds and more. Sperax workout bench. Sperax adjustable weight benches is made of 75x75x3 mm high-quality square commercial steel, and carries out strict quality control. While the weight bench design adopts a unique double triangle design, excellent structure and welding make the exercise table more stable, safe support more than 800 pounds. To ensure your safe use of the lift table, the weight bench is 17 inches above the floor, ergonomic and suitable for most people's height and size. Soft and comfortable. Sperax adjustable weight bench is made of the latest non-slip leather, for a more non-slip and durable touch. At the same time, the backrest of the workout bench is thickened and lengthened with 5 layers of inner filling, which is more soft and comfortable. You can focus on your exercise and enjoy the fun of the weight bench. Easy to install and move. Workout bench comes with a full set of installation tools and detailed installation instructions to make the installation process easy. At the same time, our adjustable weight bench is equipped with 2 rear wheels, so that you can move at any time, save worry and effort. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.